Welcome to your daily English. Today, you'll master powerful advanced words to speak, write, and think like a fluent, educated pro. We'll cover 12 sections with synonyms and clear examples. Listen carefully, repeat, and use these words in your daily life. Let's dive in. First, let's start with words for things that matter most. Instead of just saying important, let's level up your English. The word important means something matters a lot. For example, water is important for health. A stronger word is significant, which means it has a big impact. For example, this discovery was significant for science. Even stronger is paramount, which means above all else. For example, safety is paramount in aviation. Vital means absolutely necessary for life. Exercise is vital for fitness. Crucial describes a decisive moment. Timing is crucial in negotiations. And pressing means something needs immediate action. We have pressing deadlines. Now, let's talk about essentials. Essential means a must-have. Sleep is essential. Indispensable means you simply can't do without it. Teamwork is indispensable. Necessary means required. A passport is necessary for travel. Compulsory means mandatory by rule. Vaccines are compulsory. And requisite means strictly required. Skills are the requisite for the job. As a practice sentence, you can say, climate action is paramount and indispensable. Next, education vocabulary. Ditch basic words like students and teachers and use more precise terms. Students is the general word. Students study hard. Learners refers to anyone acquiring knowledge. Lifelong learners thrive. Pupils are young school kids. Pupils love recess.
Trainees are people in job training.
New trainees are eager. And youngsters is an informal word for youth. Youngsters explore ideas. For teachers, the basic word is teachers. Teachers grade papers. Educators is a broader term for people in the education field. Educators inspire. Instructors focus on skills. Instructors teach driving. Mentors guide you with life lessons. Mentors shape careers. Professors are university experts.
Professeur lecture.
And academics are scholars and researchers. Academics publish papers. A practice sentence is, young learners need dedicated educators. Now, let's talk about describing famous people and people in general. Famous means known widely. She's famous worldwide. Well-known means recognized by many. A well-known author. Renowned means highly respected in a field.
Renowned chef.
Eminent also means standing out, especially in a professional area. Eminent scientist. Prominent means an important figure in society. Prominent leader. And distinguished describes someone honored for excellence. Distinguished service. For example, you can say, Nelson Mandela was a renowned, eminent leader. Next, words for thinking and knowledge. Use these to sound smarter and more precise. Logical means something follows reason. Logical steps solve puzzles. Analytical means you break down information. Analytical minds excel. Rational means based on facts, not emotions. Make rational choices. Coherent means clear and consistent. Coherent argument. Insightful describes deep understanding. Insightful feedback. Thorough means complete and detailed. Thorough research. As a practice sentence, you can say, her analytical, insightful approach was thorough. Now, let's talk about traditional and culture. Traditional refers to long-standing customs. Traditional ceremonies bring communities together. Conventional means the standard or usual way. Conventional wisdom guides us. Customary means something done by habit or custom. Customary greetings build rapport. Classical refers to timeless, classic style. Classical literature endures. And stereotyped means an overly simplified or fixed image. Avoid stereotyped views of cultures. For example, you can say, many societies cherish their traditional and customary practices. Next, expression and writing. Keep your language short and powerful. Brief means short in time or form. Give a brief summary. Concise means clear and to the point. Concise emails win. Succinct also means expressed briefly, but clearly. Succinct reply. Compact means neatly packed or efficient. Compact guide. And summary means a quick overview. Read the summary first. A practice sentence is, write a succinct summary. Now, let's talk about action words. Start strong and sound confident. Begin is the simple word for starting. Begin now. Initiate means to formally start something. Initiate the project. Commence sounds more official or formal. Talks commence tomorrow. Undertake means to take on a task or a responsibility. Undertake research. Instigate means to spark action or cause something to happen. Instigate change. For example, you can say, initiate and undertake bold actions. Now, solutions and problem-solving vocabulary. Solution means the answer to a problem. Found a solution. Remedy means a cure or fix. Natural remedy. Resolution can mean a firm decision or a final answer. High resolution. Panacea is a stronger word for a cure-all, but often used in a negative sense.
No panacea exists.
And way out means an escape route or a way to solve a difficult situation. Need a way out. A practice sentence is, this remedy is the resolution. Next, description and communication. Use these words when you explain, show, or present. Show is the simple word. Show me. Demonstrate means to prove or illustrate with an example. Demonstrate skill. Display means to put something on view. Display artwork. Presentation means a structured talk or talk with slides. Great presentation. And showcase means to highlight the best parts. Showcase talents. For example, you can say, demonstrate in your presentation. Now, strength and quality. Power up your adjectives. Strong means powerful. Strong team. Robust means sturdy, healthy, and strong. Robust economy. Durable means long-lasting and able to survive wear and tear. Durable shoes. Formidable means impressive in strength or power. Formidable opponent. Substantial means of considerable size, importance, or value. Substantial meal. A practice sentence is, build a robust, durable plan. Now, feelings and opinions. Share your thoughts with more variety. Views means your personal angles or perspectives. Share your views. Opinions are your beliefs or personal judgments. Strong opinions. Beliefs are deep, often long-held convictions. Core beliefs. Notions are ideas, sometimes vague or unclear. Vague notions. Ideas are general concepts or thoughts. Bright ideas. And concepts are abstract ideas that are not always easy to see. Grasp the concept. For example, you can say, my notions and beliefs shape my views. Now let's finish with everyday advanced words. Upgrade simple words into stronger, more natural ones. Good can become excellent, outstanding, or exceptional. Excellent work. Bad can become awful, dreadful, horrible, or appalling. Awful weather. Big can become enormous, massive, or gigantic. Enormous success. Fast can become rapid, brisk, or accelerated. Rapid growth. A practice sentence is, outstanding, massive progress at rapid speed. You did it. Advanced fluency unlocked. Practice these words daily in speaking and writing. Use them in your sentences, your emails, your conversations, and your thoughts. They'll feel natural very soon. If you like this vocabulary upgrade, give this video a like, subscribe to this channel, comment your favorite word, and share your own sentence below. See you next time. Keep upgrading your English every single day.